The dynamics are that we're waiting for the Fed to announce, and it's a when, not if, that they are turning their attention away from trying to help the labor market recover and back towards trying to control this inflation. And so when I look at names that I think are more resistant to these inflationary pressures, or at least better situated for these inflationary pressures we're feeling, I like to focus in on the value retailers. You know, we just talked about one at the end of the exchange, which is Walmart. But as these inflationary pressures continue to rage, due to the constraints on shipping, due to the inflationary wage pressures, the American wallet will feel the strain. And thus, I think the value shopping trend is emerging. We saw last quarter all of these names crush their earnings on just about every metric. And now we get even more stimulus to continue that tailwind. And so, you know, we were worried about the child tax credit fading off into the September roll-off on unemployment benefits, and we get a 25% boost in SNAP, as well as some repurposing of the American Rescue Act to continue those benefits. So I think the low-end consumer will continue to drive a tailwind in these stocks.
So in other words, just some recent policy changes now have you looking attractively at these. By the way, I should mention some of the other areas you're looking at: big tech, casinos, financials. For all of these names, are you waiting till post-Jackson Hole to buy?
I do think that the Fed will shift its posture, at least articulate a shift in posture in Jackson Hole. And as we saw last week when those notes emerged, I don't think that that's priced in. It's never priced in until it's actually said live. So I do think that we will get a slight pullback after Jackson Hole, because I think it has become very difficult to make any cohesive argument that we need to continue to push accommodative monetary policy to push the job market to health. It's already quite healthy. We already have 1 million more jobs than we have people seeking work. So yes, I think everything I'm looking at, I would be looking to add after Jackson Hole, as I do believe we're going to get a better price.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.